Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. My name is Sophia. Welcome to another amazing shopping haul. Okay guys, I've just been recovering from being very sick, guys. I've been really unwell for almost 1 week plus, but I'm recovering now, still recovering. Okay, yeah, but today I have a weekly shopping haul for you guys. So today haul is Asda. Okay guys, let me show you the receipt. Asda. So everything in this haul is Asda haul. So let's dive right in. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe. Please, it's free so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you. Enjoy. Okay guys, so this is everything here on the table. Everything from this haul, as I said earlier, is from Asda. Okay guys, everything cost me £116 20p. So I'm going to try. Let me show you guys. Can you guys see it there? Okay, I'm going to try and tell you guys the prices. If I miss any price, I'm sorry about that. Okay, so yeah, my voice is still a bit because I was having flu, guys. It was terrible, but flu and fever combined together, but I'm getting better now. Okay, all right, so let me show you guys. Let's start from, where shall we start? Let's start from maybe we should start from the toilet brush, okay? Because that's the one that is on top of the receipt. Okay, guys, so we got the toilet brush. I need to replace my toilet brush. It's always good to replace your toilet brush, you know, when they are looking funny, you know, guys. So they are £2 each. I got 3 toilets in this house, so I've bought for the 3 of them. So there's £2 each. As you can see, it's 3 of them is there. Okay, and then the next thing here on the list. So I'm just trying to follow the receipt, guys. So the next thing is my shaw. The shaw is £1.75. I bought just one for myself. So let me just continue from this point, but then I have to be looking at the price, looking for the prices. Okay, so we got these 2 bubble baths here. They are 95p for one. I bought 2 types, the purple and the teal green. Okay, so that one is stress relief. The other one is what's it? I think it's sleep something. Yes, sleep and relax. Okay, so they are 95p each for one. Okay, and then over here I bought this lamb seasoning. I bought just one of it. If I can find it, I'll tell you guys the price. But I have a strong feeling it's like £1 something. Seasoning. Or is it 95p? I can see something that is written seasoning here. 95p, I think it is. If you guys can see it there, it says seasoning. 95p. So I'm thinking it's the lamb seasoning, okay? Sorry guys. So the next thing I bought is the trying to look for it. So the multivitamin, I think it's about £2 or £1 something. Let me quickly go through the receipt and see if I can find it as fast as I can. It's not easy looking through the receipt, guys. Sometimes you just want to tell the price, but looking through the receipt can be a bit of a challenge. Okay, let's move on when I find it. Okay, vitamins, yeah, I found it now. It's £2.50, guys. This one here, £2.50. Okay, so the plantain chips, they are doing sales on the plantain chips. Yeah, it's like I don't know, I saw it like £1, buy 2 for £1.60, but I'm not 100% sure. But they are 95p anyway for one. So this is the, oh, I didn't even realize this is a lime one. Wow, that's the sweet chili. I didn't realize it's a lime one I picked. So they are 95p for one. Chips 90p rather for one. You can see the price here. Said 90p for one. The other one, chips, one of them is £1, and then the other one is 90p. I don't know which one is £1 and which one is 90p. But I bought only one of each. And then we got some what else? Okay, let me tell you guys the biscuit. So the biscuit, this one is 55p. This one is 55p. The digestive is 55p. While the rich tea over here, I bought 3 of them. The rich tea is 45p for the rich tea. So I bought 3 of the digestive and 3 of the rich tea. Okay, and then I bought these crepes for the children. The crepes is £3.35p. I think I'm trying to remember the price because I think it was £3.35p. Okay, if I see the actual price, I'll show you guys straight away if I see the actual price of this crepes. Okay, but I think it's around £3.35p. That's how much I got it. Okay, and then also we have the bagels. So the bagels, we have just one. The bagels is £1.75. The bagels is £1.75. Okay guys, I bought just one of that bagel because the one Asda's own brand for that bagels is £1.70, and I'm like, where's the difference? There isn't much difference, just 5p difference. And then I bought this waffles £1.35p, Asda's own. So I bought 2. One is £1.35p, and then I bought this Asda brioche rolls. I bought 3 of them. There's 3 of them. One is £1.35p. Okay guys, and then I bought sliced cheese. The cheese has gone expensive now, and it's making me to feel like as if I don't want to buy cheese. 2 is £4.50 for 2. Okay, it's beginning to make me feel like as if I don't want to buy cheese. And the egg is £2.85. I couldn't find the one there their own, so I found this one, £2.85. Okay, I bought just one. The cheese is 2. Okay, and then we have our evaporated milk, which are 55p for one. I bought 5 of them, so you guys can see 5. Okay, and then coming down to this way, I got this boxer for my big son. Okay, it's 2 for £16. You can see already, 2 for £16. And then I bought this uniform, this white rather, for Precious, for school, my daughter. Okay, it's 2 that is in there for £16. Okay, yeah, it's the packaging that is messy. The inside is clean, but the packaging is messy. Okay, so it's 2 that is in there, £16, and this one too, £16 as well. Okay, so over here we have some pizza. Let me see, I think the pizza, they are £3.50 for one. I couldn't find the big one, so I bought 2 types. This is barbecue steak and cheese. The other one is barbecue chicken and bacon. They are £3 what I just saw now, £3.50 each. Okay guys, so I bought 2 of them. Okay, and then over here we have our plum. I'm trying to look, the plum, I think they're 90p if I can find them. Sliced cheese, grapes. Okay, plum, the plum are £1.29p, not 90p. They're £1.29p. I bought 2 of them. Then I bought grapes. The grapes, they said 2 for £2. Any 2 for £2. Okay, that's the grape. Any 2 for £2. So I got this color, and this the red one. This one look like the black one. No, yeah, seedless black. Yes, that is it, black. And then this one is seedless, the red one, seedless red. So 2 for. When I was feeling very, very unwell, this fruit helps me so much because I couldn't eat, guys, for almost 1 week. I'm even still struggling to eat right now as I'm talking to you guys. Okay, so the fruits are quite helpful. And then the yogurt for the children, the Molo Corner yogurt, they are £3.50 each. And then I also saw this yogurt with the hope that I can eat it. Okay, with the hope that I can eat it. I think it's about £2 yogurt. Oh, 3, no, It's the Molo medicine. Let me see if I can find the price of this yogurt. But it was around £2.20. Is it that £2.50 or £2.20? It's one of those. I bought it. Okay, yogurt. Let's see if I can find another yogurt. Yogurt. 1, 2. Yeah, £2. Guys, the yogurt is £2. This yogurt is £2. Sorry, guys. And then we have this protective pad. It's £1.50. I got bought only one. Okay, so let's go around. You guys can see the table. Let's go around to this side. So I got this what do you call it now? This drink here, Fanta. It's £1.70 for the Fanta. Okay, soft drink. And then I got this other soft drink. That one, the one that they've written soft drink here is this Coke. It's 89p. I just bought this Coke because the color, I was just fascinated by it. I don't even know why. The color just caught my attention, so I got it. It's 89p. I bought only one anyway. Yeah, guys. And then I bought this Fanta drink, 0 sugar, £1.70. And then I bought these other drinks here. They are, let me see if I can find the prices. Drinks, quite, they are £1, £1.35, I think. Yeah, summer, the tropical one, and the summer fruit one. Let's quickly check if I can find the correct price, but I think that's the correct price. I think they are either £1. Okay, see here, £1. One of them says £1.35, the other one says £1.45. Okay, and then this drink here is £1.45. This red grape, I used to like it a lot. It used to be so cheap. It used to be 99p, then it went to £1, then it went to £1.20p. Now it's £1.40p. In fact, Asda has increased their price in everything, guys. Okay, so we have our ketchup. The ketchup at £1.15p. These are the ketchup, £1.15p. I bought 4, okay, of them, so you guys can see. And then this is brown sauce. The bottom one is brown sauce. The brown sauce is 62p for one. Yeah, this is their new packaging now. Yeah, so that's 62p for one. Okay, guys, let me leave the camera up a bit. So I bought 1, 2, 3 of them, 62p for one. And then I also bought this sweet chili. Let me see if I can show you guys properly. I bought this sweet chili for the sweet chili, I think it's £1.20p. I bought it. Yeah, if I can find the exact price, I'll tell you guys. But it's about £1.20 or £1. That's how much I bought the sweet chili. And then we have cornflakes over here. The cornflakes used to be 99p, but it's £1 now. It's still alright anyway. It's £1. I bought 2 of them. Okay, and then over here I bought this cheese ball. I'm trying to look for the price of the cheese ball. Okay, 90p. So I bought this cheese wiggly, 90p, and then I bought cheese ball, 90p. Then I also saw this drinking chocolate, the one you can just add water. Okay, drinking chocolate, it was £1.70p. It said just add water. That's why I actually got it. Because the other one last time you have to add milk to that one. Okay, so this one is water. I don't need to add milk to this one. And it's £1.70p. And then the chicken roll that used to be 90. Sorry guys, I used to be 99p. Then went to £1. It's now £1.50. So they changed most of their product packaging to this yellow. Okay, so it's now £1.50. So I bought only 2. Okay, what else have I not shown you guys now? I'm not sure. Pardon me if I forget some stuff, because sometimes I do forget something. Then when I'm watching the video, I'm like, oh my god, I didn't put that one in the video. Yeah guys, I think that is all. I'm not sure there's any other thing. I'll show you guys the crepes. Yeah, I think that is it guys. So this is the back of my table. I'm showing you guys. Yeah, let's come like this so you guys can see everything properly. Yeah, guys, so that's everything on this week shopping haul. So this week shopping haul cost me £116 20p. Okay, after they remove some discount. Before the discount is £121.98. After the discount, £116 20p. Yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please share it in case someone is interested in getting things like this from Asda. This is Asda, guys. You know, I haven't been to Asda for quite a while, so I decided I would go to Asda and see what Asda has for us. But Asda prices have increased because I'm surprised myself. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy watching shopping haul and vlog. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Thanks so much. Love you all. Bye.